Number 3. Chef's Choice Gourmet Egg Cooker. Get ready for effortless egg perfection with the Chef's Choice Gourmet Egg Cooker. If you're seeking versatility and convenience, this machine stands out in the high-end egg cooker category. Cooking to different levels of doneness in the same batch is a breeze. Soft boil your breakfast eggs and hard boil a few for later without a hitch. Setting the timer is simple, and you don't need to measure water precisely for each batch. This feature is a game changer, making your morning smooth and stress-free. The cooker handles 7 eggs at once, perfect for families or meal prep. An audible alert signals when your eggs are ready, while an on-off button eliminates the need to unplug it. These features save time and add to its user-friendliness. The egg tray is designed for safe one-handed lifting, which is ideal when rinsing finished eggs under cold water. You'll appreciate how easy it makes cleanup and handling. Although removing eggs to switch doneness levels might seem like a hassle, the process is straightforward thanks to the intuitive controls. This minor inconvenience doesn't overshadow the excellent performance and simplicity. For those seeking a reliable, efficient egg cooker, Chef's Choice Gourmet Egg Cooker is a top contender. Venture further and discover how this premium egg cooker can elevate your kitchen routine.